All right, so anyway, I'm practicing with my drone. I've got it way up over the house. And basically, I'm just rotating it in place. And I've got the gimbal down so you can see me down there. And let's come forward. Oh, almost got me. All right, looking good. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of getting used to the controls and getting the feel for them, moving it back and forth, left and right, flying it over the pool. And when it comes at you fast, you're like, you sometimes flinch. And here's a little pan around the backyard. And here it is coming up close and then kind of passing over one shoulder. And that's it. And I'm just practicing trying to get it down so I can learn how to use it and try to make some cool videos for you guys. That's the gimbal. I'm panning all the way up and down. It's in stationary position.